Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about why Capital One is probably one of the best banks to do business with and have an account with. Either have a checking, a savings, or a credit card. So let's hop right into it. So over here, as you can see, you're at the Capital One homepage. I recently just switched to Capital One from TD Bank. TD Bank did not offer any good interest rates on their checking or savings, so I switched to Capital One, and I've been doing really good. I'm not going to log into my account because obviously personal information, but over here, let's get into it. Checking and savings. The 360 Performance Savings account. So I have a 360 Performance Savings account, and I put all my money in there, and this account actually has a very high interest rate out of a lot of other banks that are out there. So over here, you get 1.70 annual percentage interest rate. There are no fees. You bank for free, no monthly fees. There are no minimums, unlike TD Bank or other banks out there. And this is on all balances. So 1.70% interest rate on your savings account, which is higher than a lot of other banks. Then over here, you have the checking. So you have a 360 checking account. I as well have this. You can open an account right here. So here it's free, online and mobile. They have an app for Android and Apple. $0 to keep the bank open, so you can always have $0 and you won't get hit with a fee, just like other banks usually do. Okay, and as well as a lot of other banks don't do this, but the Capital One checking account also grows interest. So any amount that you have in there will gain 0.20% interest, which is not a whole lot, but over time it adds up, and a lot of other banks don't even offer that. So that's very good right there. Okay. Here you have CD accounts. So here, for 1 year, you get 1.90%. For 3 years, 1.65, and then for 5 years, 1.60. So those are pretty much higher than the average account. Then let's go to the IRS Savings. You have the traditional, and you have the Roth. One you pay the taxes now, the other you don't. This is a 0.80% tax advantage, free, and of course they're a member of the FDIC. So no matter what balance you have, you gross 0.80%. And then let's go to the credit cards. Okay, so as you see, they have different type of credit cards. You have the one that you can help build credit, it's the Platinum. You have the Cashback, then you have a travel card. So over here, let's see the card details for building the credit, the Platinum. So here you apply right now. Your first 5 months payments time with no annual fee. The APR is 26.99%. Is pretty much standard across the board with any other credit card. So here we can see all card benefits. So you have all this, access to higher credit line, you get alerts, personalized payment, you can do balance transfers, fraud coverage, so that's cool. Then you have the travel rewards, earn 2 times mileage per dollar on every purchase, earn unlimited 1.25 miles, purchase rate, this is the APR here, so 0% annual fee. After the first year it gets to $95. And this is the one that a lot of people like, is the Cashback. So there's 2 different Cashback, it's the Savior and the Quicksilver. Let's see the Savior first. So there's a couple different saviors. One, you earn unlimited 4% cash back on dining. The other one is earn 3% APR, no annual fee, $95 after that. And that's pretty much it. I encourage you guys to use Capital One like I have. It's been very good for me, great customer service. They also offer loans for your house and auto, business loans, and stuff like that. And that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and thank you. Please leave a like and subscribe.